Hi everyone, welcome back to Excel tutorial. So in this video, we are going to have an overview of the File tab in the menu bar. So as you can see, we have multiple options in File tab. Here you can see from this option you can create a new spreadsheet, and you can have this from template gallery. You can open the existing spreadsheet. You can import it from your system. You can make a copy of this spreadsheet. You can share this spreadsheet with your team, colleagues, or friends. You can share via email. You can download this spreadsheet in multiple formats like Excel, Open Document, PDF, web page, .csv, .tsv. You can also rename this spreadsheet like just by clicking it. You can see the name is got highlighted. You can change the name from here. And after that, you can move this spreadsheet in the other folder as per your need. You can add a shortcut to the drive. You can move this to trash if you don't like this sheet. If you want to create a new one and you have no use of it, you can move it to trash. You can see the version history. Like if you are editing the sheet on multiple days and multiple time, you can check on which day, on which time you have made the change in which section. You can see it from here, and you can also make this sheet available offline from this option. In the details section, by just clicking, you can see the multiple details like the location of the sheet is my drive, the owner is me, modified on this time, created on this time. So these are the details. And after that, you can see the setting option. So usually we don't change any setting, we don't need of it. So this just to get an overview, you can see the local here is United States. You can change the country from here. You can change the time zone if you want. You have calculation, like recalculation on them. This affect how often now, today, rand and rand between are updated and iterative form calculation. So these are the options we get in settings. So after that, you can see the print option. By just clicking, you can have this overview. You can select the current sheet, selected cells. You can see the paper size. You can select whichever you like as per your need. You can see the page orientation, landscape, or portrait. You can change it from here. You can see the scale. You can update. So basically, these are the options that you can choose as per your need. All right, you have margin, set custom page width, formatting, header, footer. You can select it from here. All right, so just by clicking next, you can have the sheet printed. So these are the overview of the file tab. In our next video, I will show you the options in edit tab. Okay, so thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please like, subscribe this channel. Thank you. Bye.